Hi, my name is Sina Javankhoshdel and I'm the product manager of Slide2 and Slide3 software. In this episode, I'm going to talk about different weak layer handling methods in Slide2 software. There are three different methods of weak layer handling in Slide2 software, including a snap to the highest, automatic case generation, and heuristic weak layer handling. Recently, we developed a method called Heuristic Weak Layer Handling in Slide2 and Slide3 software. This is a very fast and advanced method based on particle swarm optimization. In this episode, I'm going to show you an example of Heuristic Weak Layer Handling and its advantages over the other two methods that we had before. Let's look at the example. Let's look at the example in Slide2 and see how we can handle weak layers in Slide2. So if we go to surfaces, a slip surface options, we have two different options for when you have cuckoo search selected. Always snap to highest layer, which is the traditional weak layer handling, and automatic case generation, which is a more advanced method. If you change the method to particle swarm optimization, there would be another option appears here. It's called Heuristic Weak Layer Handling. This is the most recent method that we added to Slide2. And it's very similar to automatic case generation, but it is based on particle swarm optimization and it's way faster. So for this example, if you look at the material properties, weak layer 1 properties are cohesion of 5, friction angle of 20, weak layer 2, cohesion 2, friction angle 25, and weak layer 3, cohesion 0, and weak layer 15. But if you look at here, weak layer 3 is basically under weak layer 2. So if you do the traditional way, which is a snap to the highest, we're going to ignore this part, which is going to affect your factor of safety calculations. So for this model, I did all three options: a snap to the highest, automatic case generation, and heuristic weak layer handling. And we want to compare the results. So let's look at the automatic case generation. As I mentioned, it's going to cut wherever your slip surface touches the weak layer. So it's going to clip your slip surface. And here it is completely ignoring the weak layer 3, and factor of safety is 1.35. Automatic case generation, it goes through all combinations of weak layers, but it is a slow process because it's a brute force method. And factor of safety drops to 1.18. But heuristic handling of weak layer, it is the fast method and it works similar to automatic case generation. It goes through all combinations of weak layers. And you can see that with the faster method, we get similar results to automatic case generation, which is 1.18. So snapping to the highest is the least accurate method, and heuristic one is the most accurate and fastest method for handling weak layers in Slide2. This concludes our episode about different weak layer handling methods in Slide2 software. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.